What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the fail to load onlinefix64.dll error. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, this can usually happen, mostly happens on certain games. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So the first thing you can do, the easier way basically, is to download this DLL file. You can just Google the DLL, onlinefix64.dll, and download it. Again, there's a lot of websites out there. You can use this website to essentially download it. Once you download it, you want to open up a Finder folder, or basically a folder. In here, look in, find local disk C, go for program files 86, and let's say this is happening on Steam for you. Basically find whichever launcher you're having this issue on, again Steam in this instance, and in here you can basically either dump in the DLL file here, or there's usually other spots as well where you can go and find wherever their DLL files are. You can dump it in there as well. What I mean by dump is just copy paste it in there, either that or within the actual game itself. So you want to basically find wherever the games are and then copy paste the DLL file within that. So basically within Steam apps, you go into wherever wherever that specific game is. Let's say it's Call of Duty, and you go inside of there and you put the DLL in there. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you guys do this, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please thumbs up, go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Motorola's out. Peace.